Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get code interpreter ChatGPT. So if you wanna get the code interpreter on ChatGPT, you have to first subscribe ChatGPT. Uh, you have to get this GPT-4 version. Okay. You have to go for in the GPT-4 version and you have to subscribe first. You have to subscribe first, you can see. After that, you can go for this three line option and go for in this three dot and go for settings. When you will go for the settings option, you can go for after that in this better features. Now you can see in beside it, which is code interpreter. You have to turn on it from here, then go to the chat option and go to the GPT-4. After that, you have to click on this code interpreter beta. Now you can get this code interpreter feature and you can use it with PDF. You can code interpreter. You can use this code interpreter with the multiple files. You can upload files, photos, whatever you want. So that's it. This is how you can get code interpreter on ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.